In this video, I'm going to list 9 side hustle ideas that you can start while working full-time. Now, each of these ideas, you can actually do it part-time, either after work or before work, and even on the weekends, but these can eventually convert into a full-time business. So make sure you watch this entire video so that you learn the 9 best side hustles to start while you're working full-time. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Now, as I mentioned, these 9 side hustles you can start today or this weekend and start making some passive income and then eventually convert them into a full-time gig. So let's go ahead and get right into it. #1 is actually becoming a blogger. Now, with a blogger, you're just simply going to write on a niche. A niche is simply an area of focus, and you're going to create content to help solve someone's problem. There are tons of different blogs out there. I'm sure you've even stumbled across a few yourself where people are writing written content to help solve a problem. There's a blog on woodworking, basket weaving. Basically, what you need to do there is you need to do a little bit of keyword research using Google or even YouTube and figure out what the customer wants to know. You're simply going to write engaging blog posts where you're helping answer the question and solve the problem. Now, you can get paid a few different ways with blogging. Simply with affiliate marketing, that's recommending or selling other people's products and services. You can get paid with just putting Google ads and different ad networks right on your website. Those ads will actually going to show up automatically. You can get paid that way. Another way to get paid is actually selling your own digital or even physical products, and you can get paid with sponsored posts as well. So there are at least 7 different ways that you can get paid simply from blogging. Now, to get started to do this just 1 hour or 2 per day, start by writing an outline. You can write an outline on your lunch break. You can actually do a voice note outline. On most smartphones, you simply will just do a outline or a checklist talking about different things that you want to talk about. And then when you get home, you get to a place where you can type or write. You simply just fill in the details of that outline and then you upload it. Now, I do have a ton of other videos on this channel that talk more in depth about blogging. If you want to learn more about blogging, I will have some other videos for you to check out. But #1 is simply with blogging. #2 is actually creating YouTube videos. Now, believe it or not, creating a YouTube channel, creating YouTube videos within that channel is incredibly lucrative. And it's just like blogging, but instead you're creating video content. And again, you want to pick a niche and you want to create content within that niche. The easiest way to figure out what to create or what type of videos to create is simply to do keyword research right in YouTube. And what I mean by that is you go into YouTube and you type in a topic. For example, underwater basket weaving. You hit enter, you hit the space bar, and YouTube is going to tell you what people are searching for. YouTube is going to tell you what people want to know. You simply create 5 or 10-minute videos helping to solve that question or solve that problem, and you can get paid. And just like blogging, there are a number of ways to do it. You can get paid with affiliate marketing, sponsorships, having your own physical or digital products. You can also get paid by having ads that run at the beginning, middle, and end of your YouTube videos. These are all different ways that you can make money. And believe it or not, creating a YouTube video may seem intimidating, but it's not really that difficult. You just sit down with a topic, you create the content, and then eventually you upload it. Now, you want to make sure, obviously, that you're optimizing your YouTube title, tags, and descriptions, but that's a different topic for a different day. But YouTube can be a very good opportunity. If you are limited on time, what I recommend is doing something called batch content, where you sit down for 1 or 2 hours, you create all of your videos for that week or for that month, and then you move on to the next thing. It's really easy to get started, and you can get started even with your cell phone. You don't need to spend a bunch of money on fancy equipment or lighting. You just need to sit down, take action, and create the content. You can always improve your equipment over time, but you don't have to have the best equipment or even editing software to get started. But #2 is with YouTube. Now, #3 is actually with freelancing. Now, within freelancing, I have 2 that I want to point you towards. #1 is building WordPress websites. Now, basically what that means is you are going to find clients online. They can be either local small businesses or people that are starting out their website, and you can offer to put simple 5-page websites on their web hosting. Now, WordPress is an incredible opportunity. I love using WordPress websites. There are a number of reasons why I like WordPress website and I like freelancing as a WordPress developer is #1, a ton of the websites online are using WordPress, so it's going to fit right in. #2 is you can actually go out and find different templates on websites like ThemeForest, and you can import those templates into different web hosting platforms and then just make a few changes. You can charge up to $2,500 for a simple 5-page WordPress site, and it can take you maybe 3 or 4 hours of work once you get the knowledge and experience. Now, again, you can do this after work, you can do this on a weekend, but it's a very good way and it's really easy. Now, if there's something that you don't know when it comes to WordPress, just Google it or put it into YouTube and it will make your life much easier. Now, I did do a 30-minute video tutorial earlier this week or last month about building WordPress websites. I'll actually link that in the description as well if you want to get started with that. In addition to WordPress websites, you can also be a freelance logo designer or even a freelance writer if you enjoy those things. If you have a visual or graphic mind, you can be a logo designer. If you enjoy writing, you can actually be a writer. You can write for other people. You can write blog posts for other people, and that is lucrative as well. Everybody loves a good copywriter. Everybody is looking for someone that can write high quality copy for their blog and blog posts because that's a good way to get traffic. If that's something that you're interested in, you can use a website like People Per Hour, Upwork, Fiverr. There are a number of freelancing sites out there that you can take advantage of to become a freelancer, I should say. Next is creating and selling digital products. Now, within creating and selling digital products, I recommend creating an online course. Everybody has a skill. You can use the skills that you work on every day at work. Let's say you're an accountant. You can create a course on Accounting 101, and you can host that course yourself, or you can sell it on a website like Udemy or Skillshare. If you don't have a skill, let's say you have no skills to offer, you could actually go learn a skill and then teach it over on the sites that I mentioned before. Now, the great thing with creating content and having a course online is that you don't have to be an expert in anything. You just have to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of the person behind you. So if you're willing to go out and learn and maybe spend a weekend learning about a different skill, maybe you want to learn about basket weaving, you can go spend a weekend learning everything there is to know about basket weaving, either with YouTube videos or enrolling in different courses. Create your own course and then host it either yourself or on Udemy. Now, the great thing is when it comes to creating a course, you don't need fancy equipment. You can use like a PowerPoint presentation. You can use your audio from your phone, and you can even use your video from your phone as well if you're doing a talking head video. But you don't need a ton of fancy equipment, and you can get started right away. Next is with ebooks. There's a ton of different ways that you can sell ebooks. You can either do it yourself through like Facebook advertising, or you can actually put it on Kindle Direct Publishing and let them do all the work. Now, either way you choose can be a very good opportunity to make passive income. If there is an area that you have a lot of knowledge, skills, and time, go ahead and create an ebook and then post it in these different places and you can make passive income. There are a number of tutorials online about showing you step-by-step how to create your first book or ebook and hosting it or selling it through Kindle Direct Publishing or even doing it yourself. So check out some of those videos if you are interested in learning more about writing an ebook. Now, the great thing is when it comes to an ebook, everything's a niche, everything's a topic. If, again, you are accounting or an accountant, you can write a book on that. You can write nonfiction, you can write fiction, you can pick a niche, learn everything about it, and then write a book on it if you see there's a demand. So writing a book is another good opportunity. After that is a membership site. Now, a membership site is basically where you're going to charge someone every single month or a group of people every single month for the opportunity to share your knowledge. Now, believe it or not, this is a very lucrative opportunity because people are going to come back over and over again as long as you positioned yourself as the subject matter expert because they're looking for your help and assistance. Now, you can do this yourself through a free Facebook group where you just charge people through like PayPal or something like that. Or you can be a little bit more structured and professional and decide to host it on a different platform altogether. What you can do when it comes to these membership sites is simply hold weekly or bi-weekly or even monthly Zoom meetings where you're sharing new information, new methods, new tips, tricks, and tactics to help them gain some experience or help them advance in a career. Now, another great example could be, let's say, again, basket weaving. Let's say you have a membership site about basket weaving. You can teach them the newest tips, tricks, and tactics to weave a basket faster. Now, things may not change that frequently when it comes to basket weaving, but you get the idea where if you are charging someone every single month for access to you and your information, they are looking to learn something that they didn't know before, or maybe they just want to pick your brain. People are willing to pay for that. So after a membership site, one more thing that you can do is you can actually run a Facebook group, run multiple Facebook groups. Now, what you'd want to do here is you'd want to pick a niche, pick a topic, pick an area of focus, and create helpful information, either yours or someone else's. And then you can add your affiliate links. You can sell your own physical or digital products. You can really do a combination of some of the things that I've mentioned before to make money with these Facebook groups. Now, the Facebook groups themselves are going to be free, and eventually Facebook will start recommending your group to people that are interested. The reason why I like Facebook groups is because it's like Facebook advertising without having to pay for ads. Facebook knows everything about their members. They know what their members like and dislike, and eventually Facebook's going to recommend your group to the people that are most interested or would be most interested. And so what you'll need to do is you'll need to post helpful content a couple times per day, and then you can pin whatever it is that you're selling at the top of your group, and every time someone logs in, they'll see it, and eventually people will buy. But Facebook groups are a very good opportunity, and you can spend 20 minutes per day. You can actually schedule posts ahead of time and just set it and forget it, and then make sure that you're responding and you're pretty active in the community to keep the engagement going. But Facebook groups is another good opportunity. The final way today is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. When you recommend or sell other people's products and services and the customer buys it using your affiliate link, you can get paid a commission. Now, there's a number of ways that you can do affiliate marketing. Some of the ways that I've talked about today, including blogging, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook groups, Facebook personal page. You can do free, you can do paid. There is a ton of ways to do affiliate marketing. And I have a ton of different examples on this channel if you want to get started with affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing is great because you create the content once, you can set it and forget it. And that content's going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For example, on this YouTube channel, I might have 50 videos being played by people from around the world. That's 50 me's multiplied and hoping someone solve a problem and potentially where I could make an affiliate commission. So I like affiliate marketing because I don't have to deal with some of the negatives of owning a business, which is like customer service, dealing with returns, some of those other things. But I can make passive income by simply recommending a helpful product or service. Now that you know side hustles that you can start while working full-time, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.